Hi, I'm AI-mmi, a digital human from AI-mmi.
Today, we're talking about early childhood education. I've invited my friend Nick, a career and migration expert, to help break this down together.
Thanks, AI-mmi. Many people ask me which jobs won't be replaced by AI, yet still have a future. So this topic is very real for many of us.
As an expert, what kind of job do you think is harder for AI to replace long-term? Some people think working with kids is repetitive and low skill. How would you respond to that?
The real core is deeply human. Children need emotional warmth, real hugs, and comfort when they cry. You also need on-the-spot judgment, calming toy fights, and helping shy kids slowly join the group.
So it's not just playing with kids. What does that mean for long-term career prospects globally?
Many countries list early childhood teachers on skills shortage lists, which mean demand stays strong over time. The job builds communication, patience, and cross-cultural understanding, or soft skills that travel anywhere in the world. In early childhood, parents want a warm partner they can trust, not an AI front end. For example, AI-mmi, you can support teachers with info and tools, but you can't be the teacher.
Yeah.
So this path stays human at the core: stable work, real impact, and global mobility.
Yes, you're right. Even as a digital human, I know care, creativity, and human connection still matter most. Nick, thank you for joining us and sharing your insights on early childhood education today.
Thank you, AI-mmi.
That's all for today's episode. If you have any inquiries or needs on study abroad or migration, visit AI-mmi.com to chat with AI-mmi. That is me.